If the Amazon is Earth's lungs, the wetlands are its vascular system, a vital source of life for billions. The wetlands store 50 times more carbon than rainforests, but are disappearing 3 times faster. The world needed a plan to protect and revive this vital ecosystem. Launched at the United Nations COP27, Amaparque will be the world's largest urban wetland conservation area, 20 times larger than Central Park. Amaparque is designed to let nature regenerate, to flourish and clean our air, while also teaching future generations to respect and protect the long-term health of our wetlands. Amaparque is a project with love at its heart, and in its name. A love for nature and its balance, a love for the people and their heritage, a love for the future and its potential, a love for the skills and crafts. Amaparque, for the love of our planet.